how to save more than 60% of water in your home by using just 4 simple devices. Hi, I'm Prabhakar Maurya, your innovative home building expert. In your home, the maximum water is being consumed at 2 locations. One is the kitchen, the other one is the bathroom. Let me take you to the bathroom, the fixtures where you can make sure that the devices, if you fit it, you will get maximum savings over there actually. Now I will take you to the wash basin. This wash basin is having a prismatic tap. And what is prismatic tap? Watch my YouTube video, you will have a detailed explanation over there. The moment you press it, it will give the flow, and after some 5 seconds the flow will get off. It means that while you're washing your hand, you can save 50% of water just the moment you fix it. And then when you see the below, you have a blue color a small device fixed to it, which is called aerators. And what are aerators? Please watch my YouTube video where you can find the detailed description of the water aerators. But remember, by fitting this just simple device, you can save more than 70% in the day one. Yes, you heard it right, in day one. By applying these 2 things, just change the tap and replace the aerators with the normal whatever you are getting, and the savings is guaranteed. Now coming to the third device, this is called a flush, a pneumatic flush. Now I want to give a brief description about the flush, what is there at your homes. Now if you see the flush, whatever is fitted in your home, it is a container of water. Normally the water, wherever it gets stagnated, it means that there some dust particle also get accumulated over the period of time, and that location really is the most unhygienic condition for the growth of bacteria, worms and viruses. Now we are all facing a lot of problem because of the bacteria, virus. Now if you see here, this flush, it can be fitted in the wall. It just a 4-inch wall also can be accommodated with this flush. It doesn't need any water storages, and just by the press of button, you have 2 buttons over there. One is for the long flush, the other one is for the short flush. And accordingly, when you want to have a long flush, press the bigger button and the water will flow. In this way, what happens that normally that flush also will be having a long flush and a short flush. But remember that you don't have any other control apart from that. When you flush the long flush, it means the whole water which has to go out, it will go out. Im matter the sludge is being removed even before the water is totally emptied. Here you have a control. The moment you press it, the sludge goes out and then you can leave it inside. Here you can save more than 30% of water than compared to the normal flush what you have. Now coming to the next device which I am talking about, the 4th device I am talking about. This device is called hand shower. I would say today, please stop taking bath by using bucket and mug. If you see the bucket and mug, when you do it, you do not have any control when you are pouring the water on you. 1 liter of a mug, if you are using to pour a water on you, the whole liter of water drains out, even though the other part of the body is not wet. But in the hand shower, you have a proper control. The moment you take the hand shower in your hand, and then as you want, you can wet, and then with a lesser water, remember this will be using 1/4 of the water whatever you use is normally. And then if you see here demo, that's a 1 liter of the water mug which has been filled in. You can see maybe around close to around 14 to 15 seconds, and 14 to 15 seconds is long enough to wet the whole body. Remember, if you are wetting your whole body in 1 liter, maximum 2 liters for example, then 30 seconds is a very big time in fact. So 30 seconds if you're using to wet your whole body, that is 2 liters, and then rinsing yourself by soap, again get washed by another 3 liters maximum. So that's a 5 liters of water what you are using if you are using a hand shower. But if you are using the normally the bucket, then it means that you are using 20 liters of water, and that's really you're wasting water. So friends, these 4 devices if you fix in your bathroom, the first is the prismatic tap, the second is the water aerator, and the third is the eye flush, the pneumatic flush, and the fourth is hand shower. It will make sure that your 60% of water is being reduced from the day one when you install it. So friends, please take action today. And then in this period of shortage where everyone is talking about saving food, saving money, why not water? I would say that the resources which we cannot create it, we do not have any right to waste it. So please take action today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video with another innovative home building solution.